Okay, this is post installation of the Bellevue Hotel Bed and Breakfast theme. There, you'll notice a few admin notices once you've installed the theme, and we're going to walk through cleaning the dashboard up so that we can get to our installation and setup of the accommodations and booking plugin. So most of these are WooCommerce related. There is a setup wizard for WooCommerce. If you are going to take online payments and you're going to use WooCommerce, then definitely run through the setup wizard. If you're not going to use WooCommerce, you're not going to take online payments, you can skip the step and you can essentially just remove, deactivate, and delete that whole plugin. If you are going to use it, let's run through the setup and I can take you through the options so you know what's available. So we'll go click on Run the Setup Wizard, and essentially going to ask you for your address and the address of your vacation rental or your head office or what have you, the dollar currency that you'll be charging in, and if you plan to sell both physical and digital products, and if you will be selling products or services in person. And once you've selected your options, we'll click on the Let's Go button, and that's going to take us to our payment options. If you do select PayPal, it will install Jetpack. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to leave these unchecked at the moment, and we're just going to have cash on delivery, the option for cash on delivery highlighted and switched on for testing purposes. But if you do want to use PayPal or Stripe or Square, or maybe there's another payment gateway that you want to use, you would select that option at that time. Let's click on Continue. Now it's going to ask for shipping rates. If you're a hotel or a vacation rental, bed and breakfast, you're not going to really be shipping anything, so you can safely turn those options off, uncheck print shipping labels at home, and continue. Automated taxes is appropriate. If you are a hotel or a vacation rental, you might want to charge the appropriate taxes depending on where it's located. If you do have this checked, it will install Jetpack. Jetpack is required for certain WooCommerce services. For the purpose of this demonstration, we're going to uncheck both automate taxes and the MailChimp option, and we're going to click Continue. And once again, WooCommerce really wants you to install Jetpack. We don't want to run through that for the purpose of this tutorial, so we're going to skip this step. And then it's asking if you want to subscribe to the email list. These options are up to you. For now, I am going to visit dashboard, and that should complete the WooCommerce setup. Now it's asking if we want to install the block editor for WooCommerce. We do not need the block editor, but it's up to you whether you want to install that or not. I'm just going to hit dismiss. We've already decided that we're not going to be using shipping methods and zones, so we can dismiss that as well. And the last admin notification is for Elementor, which is the page builder for the theme, for the Bellevue theme. It's a fantastic page builder. If you want to leave them a 5-star review, I highly recommend that you do. It's a great builder, and they deserve all the praise they get. For now, I've already left a 5-star review, so I'm just going to close that window. And there, we've cleaned up our WordPress dashboard. It's ready for us to get going on the setup of the hotel booking plugin, and we'll cover that in the next tutorial.